The City of Greenbelt maintains a mulch pile at Northway Fields. The mulch consists of leaves collected in the city in autumn, as well as yard waste that is collected by public works from residents throughout the year. Everything is kept in a pile, and once that's big enough, the city hires Maryland Environmental Service to bring their large mobile tub grinder to Northway Fields and turn leaves and yard waste into mulch. MES uses a tub grinder that is able to process up to 70 tons of organic matter in an hour and can grind yard waste, leaves, brushes, bamboo, as well as pallets, trees, tree stumps, and limbs up to 45 inches in diameter. Greenbelt residents can pick up the processed mulch from Northway Fields for free to use in their yards and gardens. Mulch grinding benefits not only Greenbelt's gardeners, but also the environment, because all these leaves and yard waste would otherwise have ended up in a landfill.